It's so hot, and the air conditioner won't cool down. What am I going to do? I thought it was just an electrical issue or something more serious.
Well, DIY repairs can sometimes lead to more damage. It's great to learn, but sometimes the best option is to call a professional who understands the system.
Please come in.
Here you are.
Can you take a look at my AC? It needs fixing.
Sure. Sir? Ma'am, all set. Your AC's back in action and chilling like a pro.
You seem to be a skilled technician. Where did you learn?
Yes, sir. You are right. We have this course called Certificate in Air Conditioner Maintenance and Service Techniques in Eversafe Academy. The course teaches you the important knowledge and hands-on skills you need to properly maintain and service air conditioning systems. It's a 52-hour course, and the cost is $654 Singapore dollars.
Wow, that's actually pretty good. 52 hours sounds like enough to get solid skills, and the fee is fair too. You did a great job. Big shout out to Eversafe Academy for training pros like you.
Thank you so much. Means a lot. Proud to put my Eversafe training to good use.